With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's start the question. In glycerol, if one of the H atoms of OH groups is replaced with phosphoric acid, then it is called. So we know the structure of glycerol is something like this. We have three OH groups in glycerol. And for H3PO4, we know phosphoric acid is nothing but H3PO4, P double bond O, single bond OH, and OH. So now this is phosphoric acid. So now in the question it is given that we will replace one H atom. Let's suppose this H atom is replaced with this phosphoric acid, this whole phosphoric acid. Then what we will get? We'll get something known as a compound lipid. A compound lipid. So it is containing an acid. There is also carbohydrate, fatty acid, and alcohol, and hence it is a compound lipid. Option 2 will be the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.